car right now, call the police, you got to pay for it.
No, it's
And I started to stop it, you guys keep going.
What?
I was just shouting from there, stop it.
I can hear.
I pay money and it's your mom and dad pays the money. It's a taxpayers' money. You guys destroying the school. Look at it. Got a brand new paint job. If I take a picture of you guys.
Why are you gonna take a picture of me? Why are you gonna take a picture of me? Alright, that's cool, man. See you later. I'll smell you later. Bye-bye.